Hey guys, welcome to JBS Garage. Today I'm here with Lewis Lampier and Sam. You know Sam, JBS, you know Lewis, he's cameraman from the fucking video the other day. But today we've got something special to show you. And it's a fucking golf mate. Oh no. Well, before you see anything of what we're doing right now, let's get to the next clips. So I'm here buying the car, it needs jump starting, and now matey's van needs jump starting too. Here it is. The beast itself. Just got a tenner. So, we've made it back to Hedge End so far. What a beast. Time to whack some air in the old tyres. Mad. Boom. That's how you open it, like that. Pull that fucker. Always got the hydraulic struts. Right, do not ever open your coolant, but I am going to top up the screen wash with just some water. What was it got to be fucking raining? Boom. Got my first car. So, she's all clean on the outside. Some panels, yeah, you can see the clear coat peel better now, but you can see it's only clear coat damage. There's nothing else really wrong with the car, but it's on most of the panels. The interior now though is basically spotless, thankfully. Fuel cap's been wrapped purple. And yeah, she's just looking a lot healthier. And this tyre here was completely bowled, so we've got a brand new one on there now, which I actually had on my front lawn for ages. In case you guys saw it in a video or something. And yeah, fucking sweet. So I'm just going to take a quick look under the car. Oh, yes. Hello, mate. There's oil everywhere. I'm just looking where all the oil is. Right. I think my gearbox oil is leaking as well. Is it? I think so, yeah. I need new CB boots. There's oil everywhere. My EGR valve looking thing looks like it's leaking bare somehow. Don't know how that would leak, but apparently it is. What else we got under here?
Fucking bugs, mate. Bugs.
Air oily, some. Alright, where's that fucking rattle? So, it's the next day. I'm Richard's here. I was just doing a bit of work off camera. And, long story short, I've got all this off, and the injectors, yeah, this one here, right, pops off by itself, as I'll talk to you about in a second, but we now know which cylinder was misfiring, yeah, it was that one, and we know it was this one here, because I've cleaned them now, because I want to do filming, but you can see, quite clean, there's a little bit of marking, very clean, still needs a bit of cleaning left, but I'll clean loads off, and the end one still needs a bit of a clean as well, yeah, that one there was actually black inside. Also, there's a lot of oil build up everywhere, for example, in there, and all in the throttle body was completely full of oil. The air filter, the airbox. So, you know, we kind of need to do something about this. You can see the oil leaks. What I'm going to do is I'm going to fix the cam position sensor, sorry guys, some fucking oil leak in a minute. I'm going to take it out, put a bit of gasket sealer on it, and put that back in. Because I know that's leaking, because I can see exactly that's leaking, and I may as well fix it whilst I'm up here. But yeah, hopefully get them sorted. Also, we've still been trying to take the spark plugs out, can't do it still, so need to get a proper ratchet to do that. But I'm going to take them out, clean them, and we're going to see that number 3 is going to be fucked as well on this one. But yeah. Also, I think that the oil pressure sensor there is leaking, so I'm going to take that off, put it back up, like clean the copper washer off. And also, I'm not sure if this rocket gasket's leaking around here, or if the entire leak was from the cap. But I've cleaned the cap now, so the cap, I'm pretty sure, is sealing good again. rather than leaking. So yeah, there you go, guys. What's that, mate?
You hold 5 litres of fuel in your hand.
I fully can.
Yeah, he can.
Ah!
Terrible jokes, guys.
So that's it for this video, guys. If you like Rich, subscribe to his channel. If you don't like Rich, then
Don't subscribe.
don't subscribe to his channel. Subscribe to mine.
No. If you don't like me, then do subscribe and then comment on all of my videos and tell me that you don't like me.
Do it.
Honestly, every single video, just tell me you don't like me. Yeah.
Advice from Rich. Just tell him you don't like him, guys.
Love it, I love it.
And that's it. Right. So we will see you guys in the next one. I hope you enjoy the new project. Peace.